We've streamlined our online application process. You can now apply to study with ACCA in 4 easy steps, and the whole process should only take around 10 minutes to complete, so you can do it in just one sitting. Our easy-to-complete application process is also now mobile-friendly. Take a look to see what else has changed. Clear guidance on what you need to get started. You can keep a track of your progress via the progress bar at the top of your screen. You can now read more about the qualification you're selecting as you apply. Simply click on More Information to ensure the qualification you're selecting is best suited to you. Uploading your documents has never been easier. We'll tell you what documents you need. And you'll just have to click on the Add File button or drag and drop them directly from your computer. If you have an employer or education provider registration code, you can submit this with your application. And after you've agreed to our terms and conditions and submitted payment, you're done. We look forward to receiving your application and welcoming you to ACCA. Further enhancements will be introduced in the coming months, and we will keep you posted.